Guys, end of January here down in our vegetable garden plot, and we're just days away from February, and what I'm doing today is planting some garlic. I'm planting Portuguese garlic, and a lot of it sprouted. I had a friend drop some off, bag of it for us today. I actually traded him for some palm seeds. I was going to pay him for it. He said, how about some palm seeds? So got 1.5 pounds of garlic off them, and you can see they're already sprouted out. So you put them in the, I dig a trench, put them in there 4 inches apart and about 1 inch, cover them up about with 1 inch of soil. Really good soil in our garden here. I've been working it in with lots of seaweed. There's manure, compost, leaves, grass clippings, everything. And there's lots of earthworms in here and lots of organic matter. So this is our garlic patch just on this side. So Portuguese today, and we're going to plant some Russian in here as well. And I got the little marker on the end just to, so we know where it is. All right? So that's how it's done, folks. And this, like I say, is an early one. That's what he told me. So we'll be harvesting it earlier than the other ones. Anyway, it's a beautiful day here on the rock. Just, I can hear the foghorns. There's fog all around Salt Spring Island here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And check out more videos here on Jungle Joe C. Also check out my other channel, Banana J SSI. Cheers.